Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. I know it's been a while since I've been bringing you recipes, but fall will be here before you know it, and I want to get back on track. So today, I've been really trying my best to eat low carb, and I'm going to make you this delicious 3-ingredient avocado toast. You can use it for sandwiches, you can just have it for breakfast with your eggs or whatever. So what do you say we get started? The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Next, you're going to take a baking sheet and put a piece of parchment paper on it. Now, what are you going to need? I said 3 ingredients. So the first one is an avocado. So I'm going to pull the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. There you go. I think that's better. So I just have a glass measuring cup here. You can use a small bowl if you want. And you're going to take your medium-sized avocado, cut it in half, which I did. Take your pit out. Well, let me get that out. Here we go. And you're going to scoop the avocado into your bowl. Make sure it's ripe because you want it nice and soft. There you go. Avocados do have some carbs in them, but not very many. And the ones that they do have are mostly fiber. So they're very good for you and they contain healthy fats. Okay, I'm going to just mash this up a little bit for now. I'll hold the cup up so you can see. If the avocado is ripe, it'll mash up very easily. Alrighty. And I've never been a big fan of avocados, but I've learned over this past, say year or so, to find ways that I enjoy them. Next, you're going to add to this 1 egg. Now, let me put that in. And you're going to add 1 cup shredded parmesan cheese. So let me put that in. And there's your 3 ingredients. So you're going to mix them all together so you get everything combined. I think you're going to be very surprised at how this comes out and how good it tastes. Alrighty. Get this all mixed up in here. Smash up those avocados. So I hope everyone's been doing well. I know I have put on a lot of vacation videos, and every Wednesday I go over to Aldi's and I film their Aldi Finds aisle so you can see what goodies they got in that day. But I haven't been doing a lot of recipes, so I want to get back on track with that. Alrighty. See how nice this is mixing up? So we're going to get this all combined. Now, once I get all of this combined, I'm going to take my cookie sheet with the parchment paper on it and a nice sized spoon, and I'm going to put 4 little mounds of this delicious avocado mixture on my cookie sheet, and I'll show you that in a minute. I think this is looking pretty good. Okay. My oven's preheated because I just heard it go off a minute ago. All right. Very good. And this is so healthy and so good for you. Eggs are good for you. Avocado is good for you. And the cheese is fine, and it just gives it a great flavor. All right, I think this is good enough. All right, now I'm going to swing over my cookie sheet, and I'm going to put my 4 little mounds of the avocado mixture on here. Just try to make them even amounts if you can. Like I have a little too much on this one. My hands are clean, so I'm gonna move that over there. There we go. Okay, get everything out of there. You don't want to waste any of this. No way. I hope you're all doing fine. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe. And you can make a comment if you like. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. All right, now I'm just going to take my fork over here and I'm just going to gently pat them down just to make a nice circle. Just like that. I'll hold it up in a minute to show you what it looks like. All righty. Okay, now isn't that easy? I think it's pretty easy. All right, here we go. I think they're a nice size. Yeah, that's good. Let me see. And I didn't measure them, but they're pretty even in size. All right, let me hold it up to show you. There you go. I pop these in my 400-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. You want them to be nice and brown because they're going to be a little crispy when you take them out. And then, I'm going to make a sandwich with them. So don't go away. I'm back. So here they are. I had taken them out of the oven and they're all cool. So now I'm going to make myself a little sandwich with them. I mean, you can use these for breakfast with eggs. You can just use them as toast alone. You can use them for bread as a sandwich, but I'm going to make myself a little sandwich now. So let me see. I'm going to, I think I'm going to put a little turkey on mine. So let me get my turkey out here. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. There you go. So let me put that on. I don't know. Should I put a piece of ham on? Maybe one piece of ham. This is a piece of Black Forest ham. And I'm going to put it together. And as you can see here, I have this nice sandwich. So I'm going to take a bite into it now and do a little taste testing. So let me see. I don't know if you can hear the crunch. Very tasty and very healthy for you. So if you're trying to eat low carb like me, give these a try. Even if you don't like avocados, like I did, I think you're gonna like these. Delicious. Just 3 ingredients: an egg, cup of Parmesan cheese shredded, and your 1 avocado, nice and ripe. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe, make a comment, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. So I will see you all very soon. Love you all. Toodles. I'm gonna go eat my lunch.